pound of ground sirloin. You can use ground beef. I prefer ground chuck or ground sirloin because it is a little leaner. So while this is browning, I am going to open up two 24-ounce cans of traditional pasta sauce. So before I add the sauce, I am going to drain just a little bit of this grease. So now I am pouring in the two 24-ounce cans of pasta sauce in with the ground sirloin, and I am going to mix it all together and set it aside. So this is basically making a very simple meat sauce. I'm going to cover this for now and get ready to make my cheese mixture. So in a large bowl, I am going to put 24 ounces of cottage cheese. I use the 2%. Feel free to use whichever you like. 16 ounces of mozzarella cheese. I'm going to set this aside and get ready to assemble my crock pot lasagna. Lasagna is done, and I'm getting ready to plate the lasagna. This is how I do it. I take a little bit of the marinara sauce. I cover the plate. Voila. Okay, so the truth is in the lasagna. So good. I'm gonna go sit down and enjoy the rest of this delicious crock pot lasagna.